Alright, so this is the user screen, and currently now we have the username as Tuam, which is actually me. We have the name as Tunde Sanusi, which is me as well. We have the email as this. This is actually not a real email. I actually generate this as that, and we have the role as administrator. So administrator is the the highest level of privilege that you can have as a WordPress user in the dashboard. So the administrator is like the higher level privilege that oversees the remaining of the privileges. And we have posts as 3, that is the total number of the posts that this username has written so far and published is 3 articles. So that is basically what the screen is all about. And you can see from the rest of the screen we have an option to add a new user here. So you also have a drop down here that can enable you to make bulk actions. So if you have multiple users from here, so you can delete to make bulk actions, such as deleting them or sending password reset, that is by resetting their password in case they forgot about their password. So let's say I want to reset my password, so all I have to do is click on this and then click on send password reset, and I apply. Then it's going to send me my it's going to reset my password and send me an email. So you can also change role from here, but in the next part we're going to talk about how to change the role of any username. But before we do that, we should move next to how to add a new user, so that you can learn how to add a new user to your users platform dashboard.